Hey, my friend DK here. When you see the travel discounts that myEcon offers, you may just your pants. Let's dive into it. What's up, my friend DK here. Today we're talking about travel and we're talking about myEcon and one of the most underrated, underutilized travel engines out there in the world of a very competitive travel market. I want to highlight some travel savings here, and I'm just going to go do a public search and we're going to compare that to what myEcon offers. Now, why is myEcon able to provide such incredible discounts when it comes to travel? Well, it's as simple as this. Our travel membership is members only, and that's what you need to understand. When you belong to a members only club like that, it's kind of like the Sky Miles Lounge with Delta at the airports. When you belong to a club like that, you get advantages that the average person does not get. So the average everyday person can jump onto Expedia and Priceline and Trivago and all those other big travel names out there, and you might think that you're getting a good discount. But when you belong to a very exclusive membership, a travel membership that can guarantee that you're going to make money, or you're going to save money rather, there's a price match guarantee, meaning for you, if you find a cheaper price elsewhere, they're going to pay you the difference. You are guaranteed to save. But enough of that. Let's just dive right in. Let's just go look at what is out there. So let's head on over to the travel site, and I want to show you and just kind of go over what's available to you. And I could be here for literally days doing price comparisons, but I just want to go, we're going to look up, let's say, we're going to check out the Grand Mayan. I want to look at a Vedanta resort. If you guys are familiar with Vedanta, I think I'm saying it correctly. They're resorts, a lot in Mexico, but kind of all over the globe. And they have really high-class five-star resorts, really luxurious and really nice. So I'm going to go Grand Mayan, and I want to do I think it's Riviera. I got to make sure I spell it right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is a really, really nice hotel. And I'm just picking this hotel because I know it's really, really nice. And I'm just going to pick any dates. I don't know if it really matters here. I'm just going to pick dates, whatever. We're going to search. Okay. So let's see what is available here. Okay. And make sure we have the right hotel, which is this one right here. Okay. Grand Mayan Rivera. We're going to click into that. Okay. All right. Boom. Okay. All right, awesome. That is the right hotel. I want to make sure we have that. Grand Mayan Rivera, 5 stars. Okay, awesome. You can already see the price there. Okay, and now we're going to go over to Vedanta's website. So let me pull that up right here. Okay, boom. There we go. Apparently, Lionel Richie plays at the Vedanta Resorts, which is kind of cool if you're into Lionel Richie. All night long. Anyway, we're going to go down here, and we want the same exact hotel, right? We're gonna do apples to apples comparisons here. So we're at the Riviera Maya, or Riviera, close enough. Okay, so that's it right there. We're gonna learn more, right? So you can see right there, pictures. We're looking at that. We're gonna come over to here. That's the same resort right there. We're looking at the pictures. Yep, it's the same exact resort. Cool, awesome. So what we want to do is we're going to go to rooms and suites. All right. And again, Grand Mayan, making sure we're in the same exact, yep, Riviera Maya. Boom. There we go. And I believe this is the one we want. We want the master room here. So we compare that to what we got over here. Okay. This is, let me scroll down here. Okay. Grand Mayan master room right here. This is the one that we want. Grand Mayan master room. Okay, so we're going to go over here, make sure we grab the same exact one. Grand Mayan master room. Yep. Okay, awesome. We're going to click into that. All right, so let's see. Apples to apples here. Grand Mayan master room. Master room. Boom. Okay, good. We're good there. We're good there. Let's take a look at this. Grand Mayan master room. Yep, good. Rock on. Okay, and we're going to go into book. Okay. Now, let's just look at the total pricing. Once you actually get in and you actually kind of get to the meat and potatoes and you look at taxes and all that or other sort of good fun stuff here. Okay, so let's look at this. This is on Vedanta's actual website. If anyone books a trip direct through Vedanta, unless you're like a millionaire and you don't give a shit about, saving money, I feel bad because you could be saving massive amounts of money. So apples to apples, same resort, same exact room. Okay, you can see right here on Vedanta's website, $1,260 per night. Night, not for the whole trip, per night. This is for 1 week, 7 days, right? Okay, so you can see it right here. Boom, all the same information. And you come over here. Look at the savings. Like, look at the savings off the public price. If you were part of the myEcon travel membership, you would literally save $5,643. That's just freaking incredible. And by the way, all of the prices that you see on this travel membership with myEcon includes taxes and fees. So literally, like, what you pay here is what you pay. So you could pay over at Vedanta, you could pay $1,260 per night, or with the myEcon travel membership, you could pay $1,917 and have your entire trip, or averages out to $320 a night. So you can't make this shit up, guys. I mean, this is about as straightforward as you get. So that's why this is exclusive. That's why this is members only. And you also got to understand too, this is very, very important, that a lot of companies out there, network marketing companies, affiliate marketing companies, they offer travel, right? They offer travel sites. They're all the same whitelisted travel engine. So whether it's, and I've had plenty of other comparisons here on the channel where I've showed you guys, the same travel site with the same company, but the discounts are different. And you got to realize that myEcon pays the most amount of money per person so they could get the biggest discount because they're tiered. This travel engine that you see here on your screen, the one that like came up with these and crazy discounts, because again, look at this. I mean, 75% off public price, 71% off public price. It's just crazy. The reason that they're able to offer that is because, again, it's exclusive, it's members only, you're buying into it, so you get these incredible discounts versus going to a public website, having it not be exclusive, not getting those, crazy incentives and benefits for you. It's just like, when you pay for, as an example, for me, I have certain credit cards that I pay for annually, American Express Platinum, American Express Sky Miles. Those credit cards get me into the Delta Sky Miles Lounge. So I pay to get in there, but the benefits are incredible because then you get advantages that the average everyday person at the airport does not get. You get free food, you get free drinks, you get big comfy chairs as you're waiting for your flight. It's that for me is like, I'll pay for that all day long because that, benefit, that feeling of luxury is just awesome. And that's what you get here. When you buy into an exclusive travel membership, and this is just travel. I'm not talking about making money. I'm not talking about the myEcon compensation plan. I'm not talking about the income shifting or the credit repair, all the other awesome things that myEcon does. I'm just focusing on travel. And I want you to understand how powerful this travel engine is. And I mean, you can just see right here on your screen, all these crazy money off. I mean, all of these are over 70% off. And, I got people that will comment on my videos. They're like, oh, show bigger discounts. Well, I don't know if you get any bigger than that, man. To go to these companies' websites, I mean, you'd be paying, way more than you need to. Incredible travel savings. I hope you guys take advantage of it. Again, one more time, $320 a night right here. Same exact hotel, same exact room. Massive savings, literally over 70% savings. So that, my friend, is the myEcon travel membership, just so you could see it for yourself. Pay more or pay less. It's your choice, 100% up to you. If you got value from this video, if you made it to the end of this video here, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified first anytime I put out new content. Also, if you want more information on myEcon or how our team gives you over $11,000 in free value, and yes, I will even guarantee that you will make a sale with myEcon. Yes, that's my personal guarantee. go ahead and hit the link in the description down below. You'll see all that information there. If you need any questions for me, go ahead, text me. I left my number right at the top of this video, and I'll also leave an end card right here at the end of this video. You can simply tap on that and go watch my tutorial and see everything that you get just for partnering up with us. That is it, my friend. Have an awesome day. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.